And that's the Kahlua pork. The Kahlua pork eggs Benedict. So we're at the Hawaiian Hilton Village here, and the waterfall, and yeah. So we're walking the walkway of the Hawaiian Village. And we're just looking at the palm trees and the flowers. And we'll look in the Starbucks to see what they got. Alright, so we're back in Hawaii. So we're back in Hawaii, June 2023. Right? We left here in August 2022, and the beach is pretty hot here. And so we're back again, right? What do you have to say about being back here? What do you have to say about being back in?
It's good. It's good being back here.
And the weather's good, right?
The weather's beautiful weather.
So we're here at the Hilton Hawaiian, and there's the koi pond and the turtles. The 3 turtles on the rocks right here. The birds, mountains, anything that's around here, and this walk of fame here. Let's take a look around, see how many people are checking out. So how many people checking out, not checking in. So we have a bubble tea, which what flavoring and topping is in there?
Jasmine lemon tea.
And what was the topping?
Jelly. Is it jelly?
Lychee jelly?
Clear jelly.
Oh, clear jelly. Why you no have?
Only $1 topping.
So this is what happens when you don't have Hilton Honors rewards. You wind up sleeping on the couch in the lobby because you didn't get the Hilton Honors, which would give you early check-in, and so you sleep on the